Yes, you absolutely can draw in the Canva app, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you want to sketch ideas, annotate a design, add handwritten style marks, or just make your project look more creative, Canva gives you built-in drawing tools that are really easy to use. So if you've ever wondered, can you draw in Canva app? The answer is yes, and it only takes a few taps to get started. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Canva tutorials, design tips, and app walkthroughs just like this. It really helps the channel and it means you won't miss the next guide. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Canva on your device. This can be the Canva app on your phone or tablet, or even Canva in your browser if you're using a computer. Once Canva opens, go to the design you want to work on. You can open an existing project or start a brand new design if you want to draw from scratch. This is important because the drawing tool works inside your canvas, so you need to be inside the project first. After your design is open, look at the left sidebar. In Canva, you'll see different tools and options there, and one of them is the draw option. Click Draw to open the drawing tools. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the sidebar options because Canva sometimes organizes tools a little differently depending on the device or version you're using. Once you click Draw, Canva will give you a few brush options. You'll usually see choices like pen, marker, highlighter, and glow. Each brush gives a different look, so think about what you want to create. The pen tool is great for clean lines and handwriting. The marker gives a thicker, bolder style. The highlighter is useful when you want a soft, transparent effect. And the glow brush can add a more creative, colorful look to your design. Next, adjust your color and thickness. This is where you can really customize the way your drawing looks. Choose a color that matches your design or pick something bold if you want the drawing to stand out. Then change the thickness depending on whether you want thin detail lines or thicker strokes. If you're drawing something simple, thin lines might work best. If you're highlighting or making a strong visual note, a thicker brush can look better. Now you're ready to draw on the canvas. Just use your finger, stylus, or mouse depending on your device and start drawing directly on your design. You can sketch shapes, underline text, circle important parts, add arrows, or simply freehand whatever you need. Canva makes it very beginner-friendly, so you do not need to be an artist to use it. Even simple drawings can make your design look more personal and polished. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can usually undo the last action and try again, which is helpful if you're testing out different brush styles or line sizes. The best approach is to experiment a little until you find a look that fits your project. Canva's drawing tools are flexible, so you can use them for social media posts, presentations, classroom work, notes, and all kinds of creative projects. When you're finished drawing, click Done to save your changes and exit the drawing mode. After that, your drawing will stay on the design, and you can continue editing the rest of your project if needed. You can still move on to add text, images, or other design elements after that. So yes, you can draw in Canva app, and now you know exactly how to do it. Open your design, tap Draw, pick a brush, adjust your color and thickness, draw on the canvas, and click Done. It's quick, easy, and a great way to make your Canva designs more creative and customized. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more step-by-step app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.